you so much. I only have, here you go, only have 25 cents. I wish I had more, I would give it to you. But are you okay with that? The 25 cents?
If I have to be.
You have to be.
I mean, not really. I'm not going to do it for me.
Do you mind if you want to hop in the car real quick? I want to have a little chat with you.
Sure.
Okay, go ahead and come in. Here, get inside, man. I really appreciate you, cleaning my car. I went to so many people, man, and people are charging me like $5, $10. If I offer them 25 cents, they are throwing it back to me. No, this is for you. And they're throwing it back on me, like being rude to me. You're the first person that's been so nice and humble. Why are you so different than the other people?
Well, because, I mean, at least you're offering something.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And how many cars do you usually do in a day?
As many as I can, maybe 5, sometimes 10. It all depends on the traffic.
Yeah, and do people give you the same amount, or do people give you sometimes more?
No, usually people just drop a little bit of change on my hand.
Wow.
Sometimes every once in a while, somebody will bless me, give me like $5 or something. You know what I mean?
And you're still grateful for even little change that they give you?
Anything, because I could be robbing stores or doing something, I don't have to do that.
Wow, man. You are such an honest man and so nice. Instead of, like you said, doing bad things, you're still doing the hard work. And I respect. Were you a combat medic?
Yeah.
Were you?
Yeah.
You were in the army?
I was in the army. Yeah.
Wow, respect for you, like 200% more, man. So where did you serve in the army?
I was stationed at Fort Bliss, El Paso, Texas.
Oh wow, okay.
Stationed there. Went overseas to Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia, okay. If you don't mind me asking, where do you live right now?
Right now I'm living here.
You're living literally on the streets?
Wherever you see me, pretty much is where I stay. Yeah, I don't travel with a bunch of crap and my stuff.
Wow.
So
I am so sorry, man. If you don't mind me asking, how long have you been living on the street?
It's been about 3 years now.
3 years.
Yeah.
And what exactly happened? How did you end up on the street?
I was on housing through the military, and the place I was living at, they stopped accepting the vouchers, so I had to move out. And I wasn't able to find a place right away, so I've been homeless ever since.
Wow. And did the military not help you, like the army, because you served them?
They're helping me.
They are?
But it takes a lot of time. It's a timely process.
So it's a process. So everything is in process for you to get housing?
Now I'm working on it. I'm doing the best I can. So.
Okay. Do you have like a social worker or somebody that's kind of like helping you?
It's all through the VA,
The VA program.
Veterans assistance and all that stuff.
And did somebody give you a time frame, like how long it's gonna take or what's gonna happen? Or
it could be anywhere from 3 months to 3 years. It depends. It depends on the waiting list and where it is. And
wow. And how long have you been waiting?
I've been waiting on housing about a year.
A year? I hope, you will get housing soon, because it's not easy to live on the streets, especially for somebody like you who was a hero for our country. Respect for you, man. And, honestly, my heart feels so blessed to be sitting with somebody just like you, who has, and plus you're so humble, honestly.
Your car's nice and cool, too. It's nice cool in here. It's hot out there.
I know it's so hot. So what would be a good advice for somebody, who's a veteran like you, living on the streets, is not getting enough help? Who do you think he needs to contact, or what does he need to do to get help, for housing?
Pray on it. Don't give up. You know what I mean? Just use your resources. Ask around. Do whatever you can, but try not to go doing bad things, because it's going to make it worse.
On the streets, especially.
It's going to make it worse on the street, because there's a certain respect on the street you have to uphold, you know what I mean? And then once that's gone, then you're really on your own. So,
you don't want to be one of the bumps on the street.
Be a good guy, man. Take care of yourself the best you can, and make sure you eat, be kind, and things like this happen to you.
Yes, exactly. And also, since you said pray, what do you believe in? Are you Christian, or what do you?
Yeah, I believe in God. There's a God.
Amen, man. I really appreciate, man, for you being so honest with me, giving me your time, cleaning my car, and plus appreciating.
I even appreciate the quarter, man. It's a quarter, but it's a quarter.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. I actually went to, like I said, so many people, and they're charging me more.
Okay.
Since you're the first person that wanted to be honest with me, and was okay with just 25 cents, okay, I wanted to go ahead and give you $20,000 actually for you.
Come on, you kidding me?
No, I'm not joking, man. All right, you have a blessed day, man.
All right, man.
God bless you, bro.
God bless.
Take care.
All right.